Hoy, may tao. Nakaputi. Nakaupo.
Yeah.
Magandang gabi. Eto, magre-reaction video tayo. Lumipat na ako dito sa loob kasi nga, baka umulan na naman sa labas. Kaya eto, dito na tayo sa kwarto ko para matuloy-tuloy natin tong ating pagre-reaction video sa mga horror. Eto, Nook's Top 5 yung i-reaction natin ngayon kasi hindi ko natapos yung nakaraan. So, ayan, simulan na natin. Ito pa lang aking mga kakainin. Ayan, meron akong, syempre kanin, hindi mawawala. May chicharon tayo, may pipino, at merong beefsteak. Ayan, beefsteak na porkchop. Ayan, mahilig tayo sa porkchop. Paano? Simulan na natin itong panood ng creepy habang nagmumukbang. Oh, let's go.
Shireen Louise, a single mother of a 3-year-old daughter, has recently moved into an old Victorian house in Cardiff, England. Soon after moving in, Shireen's daughter, little Ilea, begins to complain about a man with a, quote, bad head and bad eyes who marches through the upstairs hallway.
What is it?
Bad eyes.
Bad eyes?
Yeah. Bad eyes.
Grabe, nakikita ng bata.
Yeah.
Where?
Stairs.
Upstairs. Nope. No, we're not doing this.
Shireen decides to take a look into the history of the old house and discovers that it was built on an ancient battleground from all the way back in 1485. The worried mother now believes that her daughter might be seeing the spirit of a soldier who fought in battle. Shireen installs a security camera in the hallway just to see what's going on. Then one night after dark, this happens.
Ay, tumakbo yung bata. Ay, grabe, may hinga. Nilibutan ako. Oh, may hinga talaga.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Natakot yung bata.
Mom, get.
What is it?
Dog.
What?
Get.
Scared of what? Who is it?
No.
Is someone there?
Yeah. Bad eyes.
Oh, eh.
2 eyes.
2 eyes na nasasabi ng bata ko nakikita niya.
Bad.
2 eyes. Head bad.
Hi.
Grabe.
Eyes.
Nilibutan ako.
Hey. Hiya. Is he doing anything? What's he doing? Right, see you later, Mr. Soldier Man.
Tatanong nila ako, soldier.
What? Are you laughing at him? Is he being funny?
Tapang nung nanay, no?
Funny? That's good, isn't it? You're still looking at someone.
Nakatitig pa rin yung bata, no? Takot naman yan, no?
Oh my god. What? No, please don't. No, stop. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, you just scared mummy. Sorry, you just scared mummy.
Ah, bata yan, hindi magsisinungaling yan. Bata yan, so may nakikita talaga siya.
It's not scary. He's a funny friend, isn't he? He's a funny friend.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah daw.
Yeah.
2 eerie breaths can be heard loud enough that they are picked up by the hallway security camera.
Ayun, no?
Shortly after this, little Ilea once again complains about the man with the, quote, bad head and 2
Takot
eyes.
naman yun. Pero
Shireen
mukhang
says
mabait
that
naman daw, sabi
originally
ng
she
bata.
completely fell in love with the charming Victorian home, but now has second thoughts about staying. She says she's worried about the safety of her daughter. So is little 3-year-old Ilea seeing something that we just can't? You decide. Graveyard. This next video was posted to the internet by an account that is devoted to sharing videos of large boats and seafaring vessels. In one video, we see a graveyard of old cruise ships that have been run aground and left abandoned on a beach somewhere in Turkey. But there's something else. something that a sharp-eyed Nuke's Top 5 viewer spotted in the video.
Parang abandon, no?
Watch closely.
Abandon ship. Oh. May makikita daw, may makikita. Asan na?
Did you see
Saan?
it? On board the rusting old cruise ship on the right, someone or something
Ay,
can be
oo.
seen walking around inside.
Nakaitim.
Even though the ship is completely abandoned, no one is on board, and there's not even any access to
grabe
get
yun.
on the ship. So
Nakuha
could this
sa
mysterious
camera.
figure be the ghost of someone who didn't survive their voyage? Let me know what you think.
Katakot yun, no? Itim, no? Itim na tao.
The night visitor. A woman named Shay works as an overnight office cleaner at a mid-sized company in Indiana. Shay says that she often works alone in the large office building and that this can sometimes get just a little bit creepy. But this one particular night, things are about to get absolutely terrifying.
Yo, okay,
Who's
so
at
I'm
work?
at work, and I was about to take out the trash, and I just got a text from the lady who works here, and she said, "Hey, Shay, just want to let you know that everyone has left, so you can go vacuum the other side." I was like, "Okay, yes, ma'am." And she said, "Just me there?" No, I asked her, I said, "Just me there?" She's like, "Yes." Yo, I'm scared as fuck because when I went outside, there are no cars out there besides my work van. And I'm so scared. So tell me why, if I'm the only one here, who the f is this?
Nakatakot yung hallway. Hoy, may tao. Nakaputi. Nakaupo.
Yo, I'm not tripping. That's somebody in that room and they just sitting there.
Nakakatakot talagang nakakatakot pala manood ng mga ganito. Napaparea ka talaga.
Who the f is that?
Sino yan?
They just sitting there. Bro, I'm about to f***ing call because I'm like, how the and I just call her and say, "Hey, you sure I'm the only one here?" She's like, "Yeah, look at the cameras. You're the only one there. I'm seeing about the cars there." And I said, "Someone is in one of the booths." And she was like, "In the booths?" I was like, "Yeah, someone is in one of the booths."
Sound of movement na papunta sa kanya.
Yo, ain't no lock on this f***ing door.
Hmm.
Hey, oh, there's no lock on this door. But you know I'm black, right? And I don't play this shit. Alright, I'm gonna tough it up and
Nakakatakot
open the door.
naman. Wala na.
Nope. 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 Hell no, cause nope.
Shay is supposed to be all alone in the building, but someone or something
Grabe.
seems to be
Nakakatakot
sitting in a
naman
chair
yan.
pressed right up against a glass door at the end of the hall. They're not moving, and they're not reacting. Shay hides in the closet, gathers her courage, and then heads out to confront the person. But there's no one there. With that, Shay has had about enough. She calls her supervisor to come check out the office building for an intruder, or whatever this is.
Laki ng katawan, no?
And Shay takes the back stairs and exits the building. But here is where it gets really weird, because Shay's supervisor comes and checks out the entire building and finds no one there.
Takot
Also, her supervisor reviews the security camera
Dam.
footage that monitors anyone entering or leaving the
Wala
building.
naman.
And whoever this person was, they never left. This person never showed up on any of the building's security cameras. We need scary videos, so if you see something scary that you think would be perfect for the top 5, send it to me at nukestop5@gmail.com.
Pwede pala
Off the
mag-send sa
wall.
kanya.
In an email sent to me by Nuke's Top 5 viewer Ricardo, he told me about a trip he and his brother took to the historic fort of San Felipe in Bacalar, Mexico.
Ganda.
On the trip, Ricardo filmed a video with his old Nokia potato phone. and he and his brother can be seen exploring the massive old 1700s
Luma na rin
fortress.
pala yan.
They accidentally catch something that they just can't explain.
Mira la reparación moderna. Ah, sí. Espérate,
Ano nakita nila?
espérate, nomás déjame grabar.
May
Did you
tao
see
nga.
it? In a dangerous section of the
Parang hayop.
historic fortress that's closed off to tourists, a strange brown figure can be seen on the grass
Or
and
no.
seemingly climbing or floating right
Grabe,
over the
no?
wall. Now, I have carefully inspected this clip. I've slowed it down and I've even sharpened and enhanced the potato quality as much as I could, but I still have no idea what this is. So, I leave it up to you.
Nakakatakot. Parang orb na
The Royal
lumilipad.
Nuke Top 5 viewer and paranormal investigator Emma from the YouTube channel To Investigate UK reached out to us about a creepy video they captured while investigating the Royal Arcade in Keighley, West Yorkshire, England. The Royal Arcade is an historic underground shopping center built in 1901. The upper floors of the Royal Arcade were eventually renovated. However, the dingy old underground stores and rooms were left untouched. These buildings, with their dark history, still look almost exactly the same as they did in the early 1900s. Emma says that she and her group were doing a spirit box session in what was once the shop of a horse saddler. In this area, the spirit of a grumpy old man named Billy is said to wander
Takot naman yung
around.
underground na yan.
What happens next is truly creepy.
Make that bang again.
Ano yun, ano?
Why do you want us to stop?
Ghost yung gamit nila?
Emma and her group are shocked to see what looks like a figure moving through a lens flare caught on their phone. The investigators try to recreate and even debunk what they captured, but they just can't reproduce this strange silhouette of a person moving. So just what is this? I leave it up to you to decide. A dark park in the San Pedro Mall. Security guard Johan Zimmel is working the night shift at the San Pedro Mall in San
Pedro
Jose,
Mall.
Costa Rica, when he spots something truly
Nakatakot yung
chilling.
parking. Uy. Sa likod. Nawala. Nawala.
Correcto, aquí salió algo raro. Mae, y véngate mejor.
A security camera pointed at the mall's parking structure captures the
Nakakatakot talaga
moment
sa mga parking lot, no? Para ang dilim-dilim talaga. Lalo sa mga ganyan, yung mga covered parking. Nakakatakot.
a dark, shifty silhouette of a person can
Ayun,
be seen
silhouette, oh.
approaching an unsuspecting man. The man turns around as if he hears or feels something, but no one's there. And the weird figure seems to have just disappeared into thin
Hindi
air.
nawala, oh.
After the security footage was released online, many former employees of the mall came forward to share their own personal paranormal experiences from their days working there. Many of these former workers claim that the mall is haunted after someone passed away on the fourth floor of the parking structure. Lights out. One afternoon, Rachel Navarro was home alone in her New York City apartment. Due to maintenance issues, the power in her building has temporarily been shut off. And this is when things just start to get really weird.
Okay, hi. Sorry, I'm just watching something, but literally, hold on. There's no electricity in our place right now, okay? Turned it off, but I swear,
Uy.
shite. Okay, this door, Jesus, has been doing this literally all day. And look, the shite. Oh my god.
May tao.
Hello? Hold on. I'm going out there. Hold on, there's no light. Oh, I turned the flash on because I couldn't see straight out there. I have my effing mace. It's on. Okay. I swear. Blood of Jesus. Jesus. Oh my gosh, Jesus.
Nakatakot yan! Ah!
Okay, this door always moves because of the wind. I'm not really worried about that.
Oh, parang may ano lang, nagre-reflect lang.
Hello?
Oh, may naglalakad. Oh.
It's like mad dark if I don't.
May naglalakad talaga eh. Hoy! May bulong.
No.
Rachel's front door is shaking on its own, and when she looks through the peephole, something can be seen moving around on the other side. She grabs her pepper spray and opens the door, but no one there. Just her creepy, pitch-black hallway. Then Rachel hears what sounds like someone breathing and whispering in the hallway.
Oh, shit.
Ay, grabe.
Oh, shit. Jesus.
Understandably, she turns around and heads right back inside. As a Nuke Stop 5 viewer, Rachel decided to email us about her creepy experience. To this day, she still has no idea what was going on in her hall.
Talaga yung mga mga boses.
Vacancy. This next creepy video was recorded at a small hotel in the desolate countryside of Mexico. Now, for years, the staff working at the hotel have witnessed and experienced unexplainable activity, usually when they're all alone. One day, a housekeeper notices someone standing at the window of hotel room number 30, even though the room should be vacant and completely empty. The housekeeper immediately notifies the hotel manager, but they find no evidence of anyone inside that empty room. That is, until later that same day.
Aquí más cerquita.
Ayan, makita niya.
Aquí más cerquita.
Makita sa camera.
Sí, miren, ahí se ve, se alcanza a ver una cara, unos ojos. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver a esa habitación. Estamos subiendo las escaleras porque desde ahí es donde estábamos viendo que se veía. Aquí ya no se ve nada, a lo mejor por el reflejo de la luz. Y vamos a ver en la habitación.
Pinasok niya.
Aquí está la cama, porque esta es una habitación pequeña. Aquí pues no se ve nada.
Oh, wala naman tao.
Aquí está la tele, donde estábamos, donde se supone que se veía, pero no se ve nada. No entiendo qué.
Uy.
Que se ve.
As the manager approaches the hotel room, a pale face with hollow eyes can be seen peering down at her through the hotel window. The manager hurries upstairs and into the room, but she discovers that the face, or whatever it was, has disappeared. But then something moves, making a loud sound and sending the frightened woman rushing right out of the room. Now, the hotel staff believes that they have caught evidence that their small hotel in Mexico is haunted. But is it real, or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. In a flash, there's a lightning storm just outside Amanda Noel's house in Iowa. She looks out her front window and notices something truly bizarre.
Please tell me y'all see this. Just watch. Watch straight out into that yard. Look, you see it? Look. And it happens again. Look. Look. See? Man, I'm telling you right now. Ignore my dogs. But look, man. I think it's time to move.
A strange white
Ayun,
figure
oh.
can be seen standing in the grass across the street from where Amanda lives. But whoever or whatever this is, it appears and then just disappears as the storm rages on. Some viewers of
Parang ang laki,
Amanda's
no?
creepy video
Ang
wonder if
laking
the
image.
electrical energy in the air could have somehow helped make a paranormal presence visible. But whatever this is, Amanda says she is spooked. The old Baraboo Inn. Paranormal investigator
Midwest
Ian from
Ghost
the
Hunter.
YouTube channel Midwest Ghost Hunter sets out to investigate the allegedly haunted old Baraboo Inn located in the scenic city of Baraboo, Wisconsin. The inn was built in 1864 and functioned as a tavern and a brothel. Over the years, the seedy inn became a regular hangout for many underworld figures like Al Capone and other notorious gangland criminals. Over the years, it is said that many people fell victim to the inn's sinister clientele, and many men and even women have lost their lives here. Today, the old Baraboo Inn is said to be extremely haunted, especially in the basement, where it is said that many men were chained to a pole and executed by the mob.
Napaka-haunted niyan.
That pole still stands today, a remnant of the building's horrific past. So, investigator Ian
Paborito ko
decides
tong
to
Ghost
spend
Hunter
the
ko, si
night
Midwest.
at the inn, planning to investigate all the paranormal claims. It's still early into the night, and Ian is exploring the Baraboo Inn's bar area when things start to get a little spooky.
Are there any spirits
Ayun, mga ganyan, oh.
hanging out at this bar tonight? I heard this place is supposed to be really haunted. Could you show me what they're talking about?
Tapang no kinakausap talaga ni Midwest.
The stories of strange things happening? I'd like to see it for myself. Is there anybody here that could do that for me?
Uy,
Oh. That sound came from over
paparamdam
there.
talaga sa kanya eh.
That scared me. Hello? If that was you, could you make that sound again? Oh, jeez.
Makatakot, bigla tinutok doon sa may uniform.
Okay, I'm hearing all kinds of weird sounds in here.
Ian continues his investigation and heads into the inn's kitchen. But what happens next is truly bizarre.
If there's anyone in here, could you show yourself?
Uy,
What the
may
f-
gumalaw
was that?
ng utensil.
Hello?
Oh, yun, no?
Oh, holy shit! Oh my god, something just got thrown. What the hell was that? Look at
Binat
that.
talaga eh, no?
What the f is that? Oh my god, that's like a spoon. It's on the floor. Like, how is that even possible? I don't know. I don't know how to explain any of this. Everything that is happening to me right now is far beyond what I was expecting from this place.
Malakas.
Ian
Malakas
is
yung
freaked
dyan.
out as kitchen utensils can be heard moving on their own, and a ladle is thrown onto the floor. But the worst is still yet to come, because next Ian heads down into the basement, the most actively haunted
Ayun ang
area
Ayun ang
of the
malupit.
old Baraboo
Yung
Inn.
basement.
This is the room. Oh god, there it is. You see that? That is the pole. The execution pole.
Takot pasukin.
If the mobsters took you in this room, you knew you were done for. Just imagine what would be going through those victims' minds as they're being dragged into this room and placed here. And if you look closely here, you can see all the different bullet holes. You see that? There's a bullet hole right there. Right there. Right there. They're just all over this pole.
Matandang pole na, no?
And those are blood stains.
Ayan, no?
seeping through the paint.
Yung mga bakas pa ng kalumaan.
It's super tense in here.
Uy. Yung mga lumalagabag-lagabag talaga eh, no?
It sounds like somebody's down here with me. Who's out there?
Uy.
Oh God. Holy shit. I don't know how much more of this I can take. It's coming from this room. Again. The pole room. I can hear you over there. I know you're down here. I don't think it's the same spirit at all. Kind of getting that heavy, bad feeling again. If you're one of the mobsters, make another sound.
Ha, tapang. May lang. Meron talaga eh.
Jeez. This is the last spirit I want to encounter right now. Could you do it again a little louder?
Ay, uy.
Oh, holy. Oh my God.
Ano
That was
yun?
a black mass. Okay, I want to get out of here. But it's a freaking dead end over here.
Nakakatakot,
Can't get out
grabe.
this way.
Kinikilabutan akong
Ian is
panonood.
terrified as he sees a dark shadow-like figure move near the infamous execution pole in the basement. He's able to calm himself down enough to follow the dark figure, but he finds nothing and no one to explain what he just saw. Soon after this creepy event, Ian decides that he's had about enough, and he just heads home.
Anino?
You can see this full investigation with many more scary moments over on the
Daming
YouTube
paramdam sa kanya
channel
dyan.
Midwest Ghost Hunter.
Ayun, grabe. Natapos natin yung nooks. At natapos na rin ang aking mukbang. Ito, dami ko nakain. Kita nyo, ubos lahat, oh. Ang dami ko nakain pipino. Ayan, oh. Sold out. Ayan. Paano? Thank you sa inyong panonood. Bye-bye and good night.